Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe, like, share, and don't fail to comment if this video has helped you in any way. I love you all so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this trending gele. It's not difficult at all if you're able to follow these simple steps I'll be showing you guys today. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele, and then I made 4 pleats on her head. For the first gele you're going to be using on her head, it has to be a V-shaped gele. So all you have to do is to make sure that one side of the gele falls behind her ear, and then you bring this part now to the front so that it gives you that V shape. This is not difficult, just follow it the way I'm doing it. So if you make sure that one side of the gele falls behind her ear, just also make sure that you bring the remaining parts of the gele to the front so that it gives you a V, and then form your pleats also. Okay guys, so at this point I'm going to come in with the other color of my gele. I'm just going to come in with it. I'm going to fold in the edges, and I'm also going to make pleats same way I did with the first part of my gele. When you're making your pleats, you really just have to be patient so that it gives you what you want, and so that it comes out really neat, nice and beautiful. And so sometimes you can just ask your model or your client to hold the gele for you so that everything does not unravel. This is very necessary. Or you can call someone to hold the gele for you so that what you've done does not unravel. So at this point I'm still making my pleats. So guys, the rule for this gele today, the second gele, which is the blue gele I'm using, is 80-20. That's why she's holding a short hand of the gele, and that's why the other hand of the gele is long. One hand of the gele is longer than the other hand of the gele, which is the blue that I'm using right now. I like this gele so much because it's one of the most trending geles, and you really need to think so hard before you're able to know how this was done. It's not really so much of a style that you can easily detect how it was done. It's kind of confusing though, so I like the gele. So at this point right now, I'm coming in with my base gele, which is the first gele that I used, the purple gele. I'm just going to come in with the other hand, and I'm also going to make pleats the way you can see me do in this video. I'm just going to make pleats from the beginning till the end of the gele. You really just have to be patient when you're doing this so that this really comes out nice and beautiful. It's very important, guys. At this point, I'm done making pleats with my base gele, which is the purple gele. I'm just going to twist the remaining part of the gele, and then I'll take it towards the back and pin it. This is not difficult at all. Twist the remaining part of the gele, take it towards the back and pin it. And you have to make sure that you pin your gele properly, because most times if you don't pin it properly, you discover that the gele tends to unravel, it tends to remove from the head. So you really have to pin your gele properly so that it stays on the head. So guys, at this point, I'm going to take the 80 part of my blue gele. You know, I told you guys that the rule for the blue gele is 80-20. So this part right now is the longer part of the gele, and then it's this at this point that I'm going to make my fan. I'll first of all make my round pleats. I'll make it until I'm able to reach towards the end. And then after that, I'm just going to make my fan. At this point right now, I'm going to make my fan. As you can see, the fan-like shape is already coming out. I'm just going to take my time and make my fan. The 20 part of the gele is the part she is holding right now, the part that is on her shoulder, while the 80 part of the gele is what I am making use of right now. So at this point, I'm making my fan. Just need to take your time so that it comes. So when you're done making your fan, the remaining part of the gele, just take it towards the back, twist it, take it towards the back and pin it. It's very important so that it doesn't stay hanging. Take it to the back and pin it. So I'm just going to make sure that I arrange my pleats properly so that it looks nice and beautiful. So you're not going to just leave the 20 part of the gele just like that. You also need to take it towards the back. Just make sure that you flatten everything up or you twist it, take it to the back and pin it. This is not difficult. Like I said, if you're able to follow these simple steps, it's going to help you a lot. So at this point right now, I'm just going to follow what's on my thumbnail, but because of the kind of gele I used, I was not really able to make this box split nice. It was not really nice because the gele is so firm and it flattens easily. But I have a gele tutorial already that I posted months ago on my channel. I'm just going to link it up here, guys. It's just to show you guys how to make that box split. That's what I actually call it, just to show you guys how to make the box split. That one is detailed. It's just going to show you guys how to easily make the box split. So please guys, don't fail to go check it out because it's really going to help you. For me, this particular one I did, it's not really detailed. The box splits I'm doing right now is not really detailed. It didn't really come out the way that I expected it to because of the kind of gele that I used. But like I said, I'm going to link the other one I did, which is very detailed. I'm going to link it. I'm going to also put a picture here so that you guys can know what I'm talking about. I'm going to link it on this video so that you guys can see how to go about it, just in case you want to make this kind of gele. And guys, if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, any kind of trending gele at all, please do that because it's really going to help you to know how to tie, just in case you're so much interested and just in case you're wondering how any type of gele was tied. Please do check out my channel. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. Here is what the back of the gele should look like. This is going to be a closed gele, so I'm just going to make sure that I close it and pin it properly at the back. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.